Itsy bitsy spider up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. Itsy bitsy spider and up the spout again. Kaylin, where's your eyes? Eyes? Can you show me your nose? Nose. Eyes. Mouth. Where's your mouth?
Can you do a somersault? Somersault?
Kaylin, where are your knees? Where are your knees? Knees? Knees. Where are your toes? Toes. Good. And where's your hair? And your ears? Ears. Good. And can you go do a somersault? Can you hands down? Hands down.
Somersault?
Okay, somersault. You go night night.
You go night night?
Night night night.
Night night.
Night night.
Night night.